What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a ultrasonic smart humidifier. Now it says smart humidifier, but I don't think it's an actual smart humidifier as far as using it on your phone and stuff. When I was reading about it, I didn't really see too much about anything with downloading apps or anything, but if it is, then it is. If it's not, it's not. 2.4 liters with water tank capacity, and it says filter required. If you have kids and they cough through the night and you have like too much dryness in the house, then a humidifier is good. We just reviewed a dehumidifier a couple weeks ago. Dehumidifier is basically when your area is too damp and it sucks the moisture out. Then yeah, so if you didn't know, now you know about dehumidifier and humidifier. If you want to know the science about it, then you will have to look at another channel. Sorry to disappoint y'all. All right, so right here we have a nice booklet of things to do. Wow, I actually like this instruction manual right here. This is the user's manual. All right, and here goes the nice humidifier. I actually like it. Now, I used to get those old humidifiers, you know, the round ones that be at Walmart and stuff, you know, the old school. I am trashing all my old school humidifiers and dehumidifiers, like way old school. And now we're getting into the new school, in which this one is not too new school, because new school, everything is driven by an app, right? So anyways, one day apps might go away and you're left alone. So right here we have the lid. We have a box on the inside. Hopefully this is the filter, because if so, I will have to buy a filter. All right, here we go. This is the power cord. Of course, you need the power cord. What was I thinking? All right, so we got the power cord, we got the instructions. We actually have a brush. I don't even know what I need the brush for, because I never had a brush on a humidifier before. So I will figure that out later. Right here you have max. It says 2.4 liters right there. So there you go right there. It says move the foam before use. And you got a float right there. All right, you guys, so I definitely will have to read more to know about the filter and stuff. Okay, so it looks like you have your power source right here. Then you got all your settings. What I'm going to do is do a quick start for y'all. Only add water into tank. Do not add essential oils into tank. Okay, you guys, so it has a big warning right here. So this is not a diffuser, okay? A diffuser. Okay, so you got your dehumidifier, You have your dehumidifier, you have your humidifier, and you have a diffuser. Now, I did go over a aroma diffuser. I think it was, what was it? I think it was like last year. All right. So I did do one of those. I actually have another one coming very soon, like after this review, because we are upgrading stuff in the house anyways. So they basically saying don't put no oils in here. You know, some people may feel as though, you know, they want their humidifier to bring out a scent. You might put some drops in it, blase, blase. The only thing that we have ever done was, like, they had this Vicks stuff where you could put Vicks drops into the water or something like that. And we did that and it actually worked. You guys, like, even worked way better than regular water, especially when your kids have a cold or you have a cold and blase, blase. But you do your own research when you're doing that. But if you look at like Vicks drops, go online, look at Vicks drops, and then you can do your research right there. So yeah. All right. Sorry I went off subject on that, but here goes for the last time. All right. Pause it. Do what you got to do. I'll take a photo if it didn't come out clear, and that will be it. Now, what I'm going to do is add some water in here. Go ahead and turn it on. Give me a second. Let me fill this up and I'll get right back to y'all. All right, you guys, I filled it up. I'm gonna put it on there. All right, you guys, I am ready for action. The purpose of this is to help everyone sleep well through the night. Plug that in, it comes on automatically. And let me go ahead on that side so I can actually see what's going on. Okay, so it went off. Tap to turn the humidifier on or off. Power button right there. So we turning our power button on and the mist is coming out very strong. And so this is a mist level button right here. Low, medium, high. And it's quiet, very quiet. Yep, definitely gonna have the kids sleeping well through the night. You have automatic mode. It says auto mode, low, medium, high. It says tap during sleep mode to turn sleep mode off. I don't know why it says that, but right here, sleep mode button, click the sleep mode button to turn off or on the display screen and night light simultaneously. Oh, it's a night light on there. That's awesome. I didn't even pay that no attention, you guys. You got your timer here, 1 hour, 2, 4, 5, 6. And how high do you go? Usually it's 12 hours. Let's see. Yep. 12 hours. All right. And the sound ain't too loud. All right. Now you can turn this to aim it the direction you want your mist to go. Low, medium, high. All right. I'm getting used to this already, you guys. I'm actually having fun. If you sleeping this way, your kids sleeping that way, then you can turn your mist right there, or you can aim it this way. This works really good, you guys. I'm not going to lie to you. It works very good. What else we got? All right, you guys. So as far as the buttons, that's it. Auto mode uses the humidifier sensor to automatically adjust the mist level to maintain a comfortable and healthy level of humidity. All right, you guys. So we are going to get down to the final of this thing. I just want to say this thing is awesome. The mist is actually coming out very well, very strong, and especially on high, it's kicking out a lot of mist. All right, now you do have your timer button, you do have a mist level indicator, you have your humidifier level, okay, and mist level button. So you do have your mist level button right there. You have your sleep mode button. You have your no water indicator. All right. So a no water indicator will come here. You can't see it right now, but they do have a no water indicator. No water at all. All right. So you have your timer indicator and you have your power button. And that is most of the stuff there. As usual on my reviews, I will post it there so y'all can see all the indicators that comes with this thing. For this little tiny little cube, you get 40 hours on low mode. You have your ultrasonic cool mist safe for kids and pets. And it has a auto shut off mode. So when it do run out of water, it automatically cuts off. If I haven't done it yet, I will post up the do's and don'ts with this thing. Okay, so people will probably do whatever they want to do anyway, right? But I will post up the do's and don'ts and the cleaning, however you clean your humidifier. I know people have their own ways to clean their humidifier or disinfect their humidifier and stuff like that. Yes, you have to clean your humidifier, you guys. Mold. Okay, it is what it is. Bacteria, mold, the stuff grows. So clean your humidifier. All right, do it weekly. All right, just cleaning, like clean it, and that's it. All right, you guys. Other than that, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Links will be in the description. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.